death, the destroyer of worlds.
What up, my cruisers? Welcome to another video. In this one, I'll be installing these Toyota dash hole plug mounts that you can put various things on. Link in the description as well if you want to check them out. Got this on Amazon, by the way, so if you want to buy this, I'll link it in the description. It's a nice little cup holder if you don't want to put a RAM mount over there, so check that out. I think now we got to pull this out too, and then we got to take these screws off. I'm gonna put this off, get this flat head right in here, just push it back. See, let me try to recreate it again. See, that's locked in.
20 minutes later.
There you go, boom. So yeah, I broke this plastic piece, but so you get that out. So we're gonna pop this open. Bam. And this pops out like that. So now we're gonna put this one up here right there. So we're gonna put this down here. We'll put this down right here. Right where this thing goes. Right there. Yeah, so mounting the bullet point solutions, this is where I'm going to put my radio, my walkie-talkie, and then this is where I'm going to put my cane sauce from Soul Function. Again, amazing product, hit them up. And basically, yeah, I'm just going to put this back together and we should be good. Put this back here, put that back there, voila. These are very cool if you don't have used all your inserts in your 80 series. Make sure you like, share, subscribe to this video, comment down below if you got any questions, and I hope you come back for the next video. Alright, the AZcruiser out.
Now I am become death, the destroyer